I want to candle these Polish chicken eggs as well as broiler eggs. It's only day 3, but I'm worried about an air cell that is detached. They are shipped eggs, so we know the chances of detached air cells are higher. So let us have a look. Okay. Okay, this air cell is still detached. You can see it's not perfectly round, it's like a pear. Okay, this one also quite a settled air cell. Don't see any veining. This one, good air cell. I see maybe a slight vein over there. Okay. Okay, I see a tiny little vein up here, if you can see. Next one, I see veining. Do you see him? I hope it's not the ring of death. It looks quite circular actually. And then the last one. Okay, last one looks yellow, meaning it's not fertilized. And these broiler eggs are just too dark. Let me use my big guy. Oh. Okay, good air cells in these. I don't see any veining. Not very good cameraman. Okay, I'm worried about the ring of death in that one. So I'm going to put these digital thermometers in. Even though they don't recommend it, I'm going to put it upright. Because they say if you lie them flat, they don't register properly. Okay, I'll have a look with a torch to see what they read in the incubator. I'll keep you updated.